right 877 heavy on the turn taxi to full lane. Full lane 877. Chile 61 heavy, 12308, runway 25 right, good for takeoff. Runway 25 right, go up to lane 6, going. Currently 446, gosh, vector launch, runway 25 right, left, left, capital, cross, countdown. Land, runway 25 right, sir, 446. Runway 31, 21, contact without the departure. Departure 31, 21, get it. Today, Eagle 530, 70, and address.
Remote gauge on 002 Bravo.
Hold short on runway 25 right.
Okay, hold short on runway 25 right.